Today, we're pitting two popular productivity tools against each other, WPS Office and Google Docs. If you're on the hunt for the best option to handle your documents, spreadsheets, and presentations, you're in the right place. We'll break down the pros and cons of each so you can decide which one best fits your workflow. Quick heads up, I've included links to both WPS Office and Google Docs in the description below, so feel free to check them out and follow along. All right, let's get started. Let's start by discussing how you can access these tools. Google Docs. It's cloud-based, meaning you can access it from anywhere with an internet connection. It works seamlessly across browsers, and there are mobile apps for both iOS and Android. However, offline functionality is limited unless you enable it in advance. To do this, you need to set up offline access in your browser or install the Google Docs offline extension. WPS Office. This one's a bit more versatile. It offers both desktop and mobile apps, allowing you to work offline without any additional setup. Plus, it's available on Windows, Mac OS, Linux, iOS, and Android. Winner? WPS Office takes this round for its offline capabilities and broader platform support. Now, let's talk about what these tools can actually do. Google Docs. It's simple, collaborative, and perfect for real-time teamwork. The sharing and commenting features are top-notch, and they integrate beautifully with other Google Workspace apps, such as Drive, Sheets, and Slides. WPS Office. This suite is packed with features, offering a more traditional desktop experience. It includes Writer, spreadsheets, and presentation, and even has a built-in PDF editor. While it doesn't have the same level of real-time collaboration as Google Docs, it's a powerhouse for individual work. The user interface is reminiscent of Microsoft Office, featuring a ribbon-style toolbar and a familiar layout. Winner? It depends on your needs. For collaboration, Google Docs wins. For advanced features and offline work, WPS Office is the way to go. All right, let's talk money. Google Docs. Completely free for personal use. If you need more storage or advanced features, you'll need to upgrade to Google Workspace, which starts at $6 per user per month. WPS Office. The free version is incredibly robust, but a premium option is also available, offering additional features such as cloud storage and ad-free usage. The premium plan is not just affordable, it's a steal, starting at just $29.99 per year. Winner? Tie. Both offer excellent free versions, but WPS Office's premium plan is a steal if you need those extra features. This one's important if you're working with files from other software. Google Docs. It can open and edit Microsoft Office files, but formatting can sometimes get a little wonky. WPS Office. Fully compatible with Microsoft Office formats, and it does a better job of preserving formatting when you're switching between programs. Winner? WPS Office edges out Google Docs here for its superior compatibility. So, which one is best for you? If you're all about collaboration and live in the cloud, Google Docs is a fantastic choice. If you need a feature-packed suite that works offline and handles Microsoft Office files like a pro, WPS Office is the way to go. What do you think? Are you Team WPS Office or Team Google Docs? Let me know in the comments below. And don't forget, links to both are in the description, so give them a try and see which one works best for you. If you found this video helpful, check out our next video on the top 5 free AI tools. And don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter on the 90-Second Tech channel for more tech tips and recommendations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.